U.S. natural gas futures were trading around $6 in the third week of November, above the 4-month low of $5 hit in late October, supported by prospects of higher heating demand due to colder-than-average temperatures. Meanwhile, investors were monitoring the situation around the reopening of the Freeport LNG export plant. The plant had been set for a return to service this month, but it looks like repair work and efforts to secure regulatory approvals are still ongoing, making more gas available for domestic use. Elsewhere, the latest EIA data showed U.S. utilities added 79 billion cubic feet of gas to storage last week, below market expectations of an 84 billion cubic feet increase and compared with a rise of 15 billion cubic feet in the same week last year. Sources familiar with Freeport LNG's filings with federal safety regulators told Reuters on Monday that the company has not yet submitted a request to resume service to the Department of Transportation's Pipeline and Hazardous Materials Safety Administration. Until late last week, Freeport said repeatedly that the plant, which shut after an explosion on June 8, was on track to return in November. The company, however, did not mention a November restart or any restart date in comments made on Friday or Monday. Natural Gas Intelligence reported on Monday that LNG put out a statement responding to false information circulated about the restart of Freeport LNG's liquefaction facility. Freeport said it had not made any public statements on the timing of the highly anticipated return to service for the 2 billion cubic feet per day export terminal, seemingly leaving a potential November relaunch on the table. The company warned that any tweets or posts on Freeport LNG branded letterhead that may have been obtained or published are reporting false information and are not legitimate. Both the American and European weather models showed widespread freezing conditions through this week and into next, before returning to seasonal norms around the Thanksgiving holiday. While natural gas futures could edge higher on the weather forecasts alone, traders are going to have to brace for volatility in either direction because of the uncertainty surrounding Freeport LNG. While natural gas may probe higher near-term, any announcement regarding an updated timetable for Freeport LNG's return could deliver a price shock in either direction. If Freeport announces a late November restart date, then look for prices to rally sharply higher. If Freeport pushes the restart into December, then prices could fall hard.